I suppose this is the line. Here is 0 at the center. When you move beyond the 0 to right side, then the values are in positive. +1, +2, +3. Clear? So it means temperature increases. Clear? When temperature increases, as temperature increases, then we feel hot. Okay, we feel more hot rather than we are having 37 degree suppose temperature, and environmental temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, then we feel hot. So it's more than our body temperature, right? But on the same way, when move to left hand side from 0, far from 0, then if we are getting the values in a minus, it means at the 0 degree, suppose we have 37 degrees Celsius body temperature, if the environment temperature is 18 degrees Celsius, then we feel cold, and if it is 0 degree, then we feel freezed. Now we will talk about motion, uniform and non-uniform. So here we write the time, its value is second, and here we write the distance, that will be in meter. X, suppose a body moves from its initial 0, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. Okay, and the distance is 2 kilometer. Let it be 4 kilometer, or you just take kilometer or in a meter, right? Or it's 6 kilometer. So body travels 2 kilometers in 1 second. Okay, then 4 kilometer in 2. Likewise this 3. Likewise this 3 in 6. So again we take one more, 8 kilometer. It covers in 4 seconds. So I make a graph like this. Then just try to join from the center. O. Will it be a straight line? If it is a straight line, it means uniform motion. Uniform means equal distance with equal interval of time. Now we talk about the non-uniform. The meaning of non-uniform means which is not in a uniform. Either unequal distance covered in an equal interval of time, either unequal time is there and it covers equal distance. First of all, see the gap. It's 2 meter, 4 and 6. There is a gap of 2 meters. In between 2, it's 3. In between, it's 5. See the gap. And when you see the time, it's 5, 10, 15, 20. So there is a gap of 5. So there are 5 digits over there, subunits. 5, it's 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Body starts from 0. Okay, let it covers 2 meter in 5 seconds. Another body is also there. At 10 seconds it remains at the same point, 2 meter only. Then at 11, 12, 13 it reached to 4 meter. Clear? Then again it covers 6 meter in 16, 17, 18, 19. Not exactly at 20. See, now just adjoin the lines from here. Okay, then it will be like this. Constant here. Then again. So dear students, just see, here is the line. Is there any uniformity? So it's in a zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this. So there is a variation, not straight line. So it's non-uniform. एक बंदा व्हीकल चला रहा है, ओके, उसने 5 किलोमीटर्स कवर अप किए हैं, ठीक है, एंड उसकी स्पीड है 40. ठीक, वो इक्वल 40 के साथ नहीं जा रहा, वो इक्वल 40 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से नहीं जा रहा, वो कहीं पे 20 स्पीड कर दी है, कहीं पे उसने 60 कर दी है, कहीं पे उसने ब्रेक्स लगा लिए हैं, कहीं पे वो टी पीने चला गया. सो नॉन यूनिफॉर्मिटी. क्लियर? दिस इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नाउ स्पीड इज व्हाट? हाँ जी, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम. and you want to calculate the unit of speed, how you will collect? First of all, you have to know about the unit of distance. It's meter and the time is second, so unit become meter per second. Okay, if you want to write this, see, it's in a numerator and it's in a denominator. When you want to shift this denominator with numerator, then m, दिस इज सेकेंड, डिनोमिनेटर को ऊपर लेके गए. बेटा नीचे ये पॉजिटिव था, कुछ नहीं लिखा इसके साथ, मतलब ये पॉजिटिव है. बट आप इसको जब नीचे से ऊपर लेके जाओगे न्यूमिनेटर की टर्म्स में, देयर विल बी -1. सो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. बोथ आर करेक्ट. सो योर लास्ट कंटेंट इज, सपोज दिस इज द wooden stick. At the center I tied with a thread. Here is the length of string. This is wooden stick. It's about simple pendulum. Clear? So I tied a bob. This is the bob, ball, bob, which I hang with the string and tied with the wooden stick. So here, when it is in a rest, this is its mean position, where its value is 0, because it is in rest. But when we hold it and try to pull and then lift here, suppose I brings here, मैंने इसको यहाँ तक खींचा, then I leave, मैंने यहाँ से छोड़ दिया, then it completes from here to there, then it come back to this position. This is one oscillation. So it is to and fro motion, to and fro. ऐसा नहीं आप यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक लेके जाओगे 1, then यहाँ से लेके आओगे 2. No, it's complete oscillation from here to again to this position. When it is at rest, so its mean position. When they are in motion, here they are on extreme position. This is also extreme position, and this one is also your, so this one is your extreme position. So this is all about your simple pendulum. Now you come to know about the extreme and mean positions. Okay, thank you. Have a great day and have a look on these videos and clear your doubts.